Hello everyone, here is a triangle and here is a 3 point. First point is 2 3 and B is 2 1 and C is 4 1, and here is some hints. BD is equal to DC, and we are find out what is the equation of the straight line AD. So look, here is a BD is equal to DC. In this case, I can see easily this point is a middle point in this straight line. So first of all, we'll find out this point. So how to find out the middle point in a straight line? So we know that the formula is, if you think it is a point and it is another point, now if I add and we'll find out a straight line, and this straight line, the middle point is x1 plus x2. Here is x1 and this is x2 over 2, and y1 plus y2 over 2. This is the middle point. So look, here is B is equal to, B is 2 1 and C point is 4 1. So this middle point is, look, x1 plus x2. So here is x1 is 2 and y1 is 1, and here is x2 is 4 and y2 is 1. So I can say 2 plus 4 over 2 according to these rules, and here is 1 plus 1 over 2. So here is 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 divide 2 is equal to 3, and 2 divide 2 is equal to 1. So the point of D is 3 1. So I can say here is 3 1. Now we'll find out the equation of AD. AD is a straight line. So if you know this point and this point, look, if you think a point is x1 y1 and other point, look, B is equal to x2 y2, and if you add both points, so we'll find out a straight line. But what is the equation of this straight line? We know that the formula is x minus x1 over x1 minus x2 is equal to y1 y minus y1 y1 minus y2. Look, if you think this point is 2 3, so A is 2 3 and D is 3 1. Now if I add both point, so this is a straight line. So according to those rules, I can say here is, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Now here is x minus x1. x1 is 2 and x1 minus x2, x2 is 3, is equal to y minus y1, y1 is 3, and y1 minus y2, y2 is 1. Now we are find out here is x minus 2 over minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 is equal to y minus 3 over here is 2. Now I multiply both. 2 times x is equal to twice x, minus 2 times 2 is equal to 4 is equal to minus 1 times y is equal to minus y, minus 1 times minus 3 is equal to plus 3. Now here is twice x minus 4. I move on this side in left side. So just change the sign. So here is plus y and this is minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here is twice x plus y and minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7 is equal to 0. This is our final answer. This is the equation of AD. But if you solve these questions others method, look, we know that A is 2 3 and D is 3 1. Now I find out what is the slope in this 2 point. I add both point, so it is a straight line. Now we are find out the slope gradient. So we know that this formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now here is m is equal to, we know that y2 minus y1, so here is 1, y2 is 1 and y1 is 3 over x2 is 3 minus 1 minus 3 and 3 minus 2. So here is 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 over 1, so I can say this is minus 2. This is the slope in this equation, sorry, in this straight line. Now if you know the slope in a straight line and you know any point, so the formula is y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. So look, y minus y1, you can use any point. So I use the point, here is 2 3, so y1 is 3 is equal to m is minus 2, x minus x1 is 2. Now you can use this point, you also find out same answer. So here is y minus 3 is equal to minus twice x minus minus plus 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now I can say here is y minus 3 is equal to 3 plus, I just move on this side in left side, so here is twice x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now I can say here is twice x and this is plus y and minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 7. This is our final answer. Look, this answer and this answer both are same. So this is our problem solution. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you all. Goodbye.